Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox the 007 First Light Legacy Collector Edition, including the PS5 Limited Edition controller, and have a closer look at what we get inside, including the golden gun, some hidden compartments, and some other cool collector edition goodies. Okay, so here's the box that it comes in. As we turn the box around, has a golden gun image on the side, and actually this is an extra cover on the main box. And on the back side you can see what is included with the Legacy Collector Edition. As we remove the extra cover, the main box has a black matte finish with this huge 007 logo that wraps around the box and finishes on the front with the 7 and the gun. So let's get this open and see what we get inside. It looks like everything gets stored away in this hard case. So first up, we have a letter from the game director which says, "Dear player, on behalf of everyone at IO Interactive, thank you for picking up the 007 First Light. This title is more than a game, it's a celebration," which I'm not going to read in case you want to experience this for yourself. So I will slide this piece open. Inside is the golden gun. But before I show you the gun, let's have a look at this top piece. And I mean, I love that this had this iconic image on the gun barrel in the middle. If you ever play a Bond game or watch a Bond movie, you know exactly what it is. So if you flip this base around, it's a hidden compartment underneath, which contains some extra pieces. And first is the steelbook case. And this one looks really nice. I like the black and gold theme and has the 007 logo indented into the case, and I love that it has the First Light written on the spine. And if we flip this over, had the 00 logo on the back. Inside the case we have two more items, the 007 magnet, and the second one is the certificate of authenticity, which I was expecting to be made from plastic, but it's a very thin piece of metal, so immediately feels quality and premium, and I think this is a nice touch. Same go for the magnet, which has some quality feel to it. If you want, you can stick this somewhere in your setup, or on the steelbook case like so. And you can, if you want, you can display it without a gun, and in my opinion this looks really cool. So this is the moment that we all been waiting for, the golden gun figurine or replica. And this one looks really nice. It adds some weight to it, and you can see the nice textures, the trigger and the barrel, the golden plate, and actually each bullet has the 007 logo engraved on the side. So in case you're asking if the gun can be removed, the answer is yes. But as you can see, behind has two metal plates that explain the weight of the gun. And actually, this is a half molded piece. You can unscrew it if you want, but that doesn't make any sense since you'll be holding only a half of a gun. So here is the 007 First Light Limited Edition PS5 controller. And if we open this up, we get the first official gold controller that we had on the PS5. So let's have a look. And wow, this one looks stunning. It actually shimmers in the light when you turn it. And in the middle of the touchpad is the barrel design with the 007 logo, which extends on the side of the controller. Has black buttons on either side to give it some contrast. And if we flip this around, there is a First Light logo on the back as well, earn your number slogan under that. I think that this looks pretty clean, and definitely I will use this controller to play the game, which also looks incredible. As you know, this game is developed by the IO Interactive, which made the Hitman games. And if you play any Hitman lately, you're going to be familiar with the game mechanics, maybe a little bit too familiar, but trust me, this game worth your time. Personally, I'm a couple hours in, and it's fantastic. But please let me know in the comment section below, which edition have you bought? You got the deluxe edition with the golden gun, or the collector edition with the bronze mask? And of course, if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to give me a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and I will catch you in my next one.